Welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in this tutorial I'll guide you through connecting Notion to Zapier so you can automate workflows and manage your notes, projects and databases more efficiently. To start, open your browser and log into your Zapier account. Once you are on the dashboard, click the My Apps tab on the left menu. Next, type Notion in the search bar and select it from the list of apps. Then, click the Connect button to begin the linking process. A pop-up window will appear asking you to sign into your Notion account, enter your credentials, and authorize Zapier to access your workspace by clicking Allow Access. After connecting, Zapier will confirm the successful link to your Notion account. Now, you can create zaps triggered by Notion events like new database entries or page updates. Remember, if you want to manage or disconnect your Notion integration, you can always do this from the My Apps section in Zapier. And that's that, guys. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.